guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Wednesday. I'm always on the hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. I'm very excited today, first of all because it's my first unboxing of 2021, and secondly because it's a very unexpected unboxing. You probably already know the name of the bag from the title. I will still go ahead and reveal this bag in front of you. Unfortunately, I couldn't wait until the filming and I opened it already. I totally admire those people who actually wait until the filming and then they properly unbox the purchase in front of the camera. Unfortunately, I'm not one of those people at all. This time, I swear, I wanted to unbox this beautiful bag in front of you, and I actually even waited for 2 hours. Yeah, I lasted only 2 hours, and after that, I just couldn't kill this itch inside me, and I'm like, yes, that's it. I'm opening it. I'm opening that. Without further ado, let's reveal the bag. Let's open this up in front of you guys. That's how it's arrived from Louis Vuitton. Yes, that's another Louis Vuitton bag, guys. I'm having a little Louis Vuitton obsession at the moment. That's the beautiful orange box and the ribbon. Here in UK, all online purchases coming already wrapped in the beautiful ribbon. As far as I know, in the USA it comes just separately, but here it was beautifully wrapped, and that's why I wanted to wait but couldn't last, unfortunately. It's a teeny weeny beautiful tiny bag, as you can see from the size of the box. We have a little return sticker inside and the little envelope from Louis Vuitton here too, and here we come. Look at this, a little beauty revealing itself. Isn't it cute? Isn't it adorable? Oh my god. A little story time here, why it was so unexpected. I didn't have this bag on my wish list. I wasn't thinking about this bag at all. And then I come across of this bag, I think on one of my YouTube friends, and I'm like, that's a cute little beauty. I went straight away. I went to the Louis Vuitton website, and it wasn't in stock. And now in UK you have this button when you can just sign up and get notification when the bag comes in stock. I'm like, okay, let's leave my email there and see when it comes. And usually the rare finds, they don't come in stock maybe like next 30 or 60 days. I wasn't expecting to get any notification anytime soon. I'm like, nah, I will wait here. And you know what? I've got notification that bag was available in stock very next day. I became so excited. I watched so many YouTube videos about this bag, and the more I was watching them, the more I was like, yes, I want it. And I placed my order, and I just couldn't wait. But on the Louis Vuitton website, it says that because of the current situation, the bags are going to be, the delay on the bag's arrival is going to be around 2-3 weeks. Therefore, I didn't expect this bag to arrive in the next 2-3 weeks, maybe even 4 weeks. The bag was with me in the 5 days. I opened it, I instantly fell in love, and today I'm going to share with you my first impressions, some close-ups, and what shots and what fits. And we will start with the first impressions. As you can see, I'm totally in love with this tiny little beauty. The things I love the most about this bag, it's a beautiful sac plat shape. Guys, I just realized this from the very beginning of the video, I never say the name of this bag. Yes, the name of this bag is Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'm not good in French, but that's how I picked it up from all the pronunciation website. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Louis Vuitton has this bag in the proper tote shape, and it's called Sac Plat. It's a beautiful vintage style, amazing. And then they decided to create this petite version, mini nano version of the original classic Sac Plat. It's tiny, it's adorable. You know my thing for tiny bags, but my tiny bag has to fit my phone. We'll find out later on in the video if this beauty fits my big iPhone Plus size. I'm going to show you with my combo of essentials if it's actually working for me or not. Apart from the beautiful shape and the mini size, like a nano size, what we've got here is removable strap. You know how crazy I am about removable straps. This strap is not adjustable, but it's short enough for me, and I'm only 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear size 10 UK. For me, it's perfectly sitting around my waistline, maybe slightly lower, but at the moment, it's a winter time. I'm wearing a lot of bulky clothes, jackets, fur jackets and stuff like that. And therefore, at the moment, the bag is sitting around my waistline, which I absolutely like, and it's so convenient to dig in to grab my phone or keys or a wallet. Maybe wallet is a little bit exaggeration, not the wallet, but the flat card holder. Bag has a very cute top handles there, and I absolutely love this girly way when you can just wear the bag carrying it by the top handles. It's quite spacious for what it is because the size is tiny. And one more thing which I absolutely like, and it probably was a deal breaker for me when I was thinking very, very quickly before bags just disappears from the website. One of the deal breakers was that the vachetta leather on the strap and the handle is treated. So I don't need to worry about any rain marks or oil marks or anything like that. That's already been taken care when the bag was manufactured. However, I'm still thinking about getting a beautiful twilly for this teeny weeny bag when the shops are open, because online I've seen the picture of the twilly and a little bow here. I'm going to post it here. It looks adorable, doesn't it? My version of Petit Sac Plat made of canvas, monogram canvas, but it's not your usual kind of soft canvas. That one is much more sturdy, and because of that the bag is easily can keep its shape. And if you compare, for example, when I compare the canvas, this canvas, to my Pochette Métis canvas, it's a big difference. This one is much thicker, much sturdier, when the Pochette Métis one is much softer and squishier. Inside the bag, it's a textile interior. I'm going to show you more of that in the close-ups as well. And we have a beautiful pocket, which is supposed to be the perfect size of your phone. And this is when the first issue comes in about this bag for me, and I'm going to show you more of that in the close-up. And let's check when the bag was manufactured. The bag was manufactured on the, so it's 51st week of 2020. So this bag was just manufactured before Christmas, like just before Christmas, and it's made in Italy. As I said, I have two issues. I have issues with this bag. Two issues I have. One is certain one, and I already know it's I can't say that it bothers me a lot, but it's a kind of like a minor thing, and I'm going to show that thing and this issue later on in the close-up. And the second one I'm going to reveal at the very end. I'm not certain about this one at this point, but I think it might happen to the bag later on, and I'm kind of like about that. I think it's time to move on to what fits in the bag, so we can just realize, is it actually can fit my iPhone plus size or not? Does this little beauty can fit my phone of plus size? And that's a 16 centimeters long, and it's the same size as the iPhone 11 or 12 Max Pro. Pretty big phone. let's check this out. But we'll start with the phone here. Goes inside in this special pocket that we have for the phone, and then card holder, flat card holder here, keys, AirPods, lip balm. Here we go. And we still have a little bit of space there for maybe a mask or teeny weeny hand sanitizer. Yes, there is not a lot can fit in this bag, but all essentials are there. And here I want to mention the first issue which I have with this bag. And this is the phone. Because of the length of the phone, it doesn't go inside 100% and kind of like a dig in there. It's still coming out a little bit. I hope you can see that on this footage. It's not the major thing, maybe like this one, but it's still coming out tiny bit to my liking. It's not as bad when you don't wear your phone with the cover. However, I always wear my phones with the covers just to protect them. Therefore, for me, that's a teeny weeny issue here with that. Apart from that, I absolutely love this capacity. And yes, as I said, it doesn't fit a lot, but it fits all my essentials. I want to show you some close-up of this beautiful Petit Sac Plat. As you can see, it's made of monogram canvas. As I mentioned before, this canvas is thicker than your usual one. For example, the canvas used for Louis Vuitton pochette métisse. The thicker canvas keeps this beautiful shape. I've heard some people were complaining about finishing of the corners, as I believe they are made in the style of Louis Vuitton tollery bags of different sizes, and to me they look perfect. I'm totally aware of this style of the corners and I think they've done beautifully. Bag doesn't have any bottom feet. As I mentioned, it has a removable strap. Strap is not adjustable, but to me personally, with my 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, that's the perfect length of the strap. Each single stud here has a LV embossing there. The bag doesn't have any closure, but to me it looks quite secure because the bag is so closer to your body and is sitting there so tight that I believe it's a safe enough and secure enough. And beside the bag, it's a textile lining there and a little pocket, especially for your phone. Hoppa, here we go, with the Louis Vuitton plaque there, and it's just perfect for your phone. Here we go. That's a beautiful Petit Sac Plat there for you. It's time for mochas now. I'm going to show you how I wear this bag. Just to remind you, I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear size 10 UK. My favorite way to wear my bags, my mini bags, is a crossbody. And I think Sac Plat, the petite version, is a perfect crossbody bag. It's sitting so comfortably and so convenient around my waistline. And because it doesn't have any closure, it's so easy to access your keys, phone, wallet, or any of your essentials. Also, it can be worn as a shoulder bag on your left or a right shoulder. Or you can carry that with a top handles, like a little cutie, with a strap hanging down, or just remove the strap. As you already can see, I'm totally in love with this bag. So cute, so beautiful, so tiny. However, I still remember to mention the second issue that might possibly happen to this bag. And I'm not sure if it's just in my head at this particular point, because I had a similar thing with my Mulberry zipped base water. When you're wearing it crossbody, it's just going kind of like a little bit sideways. Maybe because of that bag, I'm too careful about the Petit Sac Plat, but I think when I wear that with my bulkier outfits, like a puff jackets and stuff like that, I think, and I might be wrong, the bag is getting misshaped a little bit. So the sides of the bag, because I'm wearing this crossbody mainly, it just goes sideways. It's a very, very minor thing, and I possibly imagine that, but that's my worry about this bag at that point. I'm going to observe that more. I'm definitely going to give you an update on that in the 6 months or in a year when I'm going to do a wear and tear for this particular bag. So keep tuned. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell. And I will see you next time. Bye!